Okay, here's the new version of the RCCaller app for the iPhone. I'm using a little prototype that I built here using Bluetooth LE, and we've got the little switch here that we can control when our hands are on the controls. We can just flip it with our finger. Obviously, just a prototype, but it's found the Bluetooth LE controller, the RCCaller, so we'll use that. And then we select the sequence we want. I'll go to intermediate, and we'll start calling.
Take off.
And then, as we click the button, it'll take us through the sequence. Let's see if I can get a better view here. There we go.
Reverse Cubanate with half rolls. Stall turn. Full roll up. 2 horizontal rolls. Half square loop. Exit inverted.
I can go backwards if I
2 horizontal rolls.
want to try something again.
Half square loop. Exit inverted. Square loop from top. Exit inverted. Half loop from top.
And so forth. That's pretty much it.